This work saw is just one of those tools that I always like using. I first bought it when I was living in Holland and I was renovating a floating house. I was building a new bathroom and I had to pull up some floorboards, and my circular saw broke. I nipped to the shop and I thought, nah, I'm going to try this thing out. And I love it. So why do I love it? Really? I mean, it's just a saw, isn't it? No. Why I love it, it fits so easily in the hand. It's just like a mini scalpel, because it cuts like a scalpel. I love the fact that it's got a small footprint, so you're not covering half the work that you're trying to cut. It's just easy. But there's one thing with perfect things. They're not perfect. This can be improved. And I thought that the only way to improve what I thought was a great tool was to fetch yourself another tool and do that. That's the only way I can improve this tool, because then I wouldn't be chained to the extension lead. But then it's just plastic and aluminium and metal, isn't it? No power. How can that be improved now? How exactly? That's how. They've only gone and done a battery version, and they're such nice people that they sent me one to play with. And yes, it does work. All powered up, ready to go. But then why would I stay in the workshop where I have electricity, where I have all the extension leads? The only way for me to test this is to take it out of its comfort zone. I'm going to take this saw on safari and scavenge myself some pallets. As anybody in Britain knows, the weather has been atrocious. Storm after storm after storm, rain, floods, gale, smash, which means all the scavengeable stuff is soaking wet. And I don't want soaking wet, but luckily, I know where there's some indoor stuff. So let's go to the indoor place and scavenge some stuff. Mine. wondering, aren't you? You're wondering, am I happy with it? Is it any good? Is it as good as the one I liked before? Yeah? Yeah? I love it. I do. I do. I like the same reason for the footprints, and I love the fact that I'm not tied to extension leads anymore. I took that to a warehouse and ate my way through 4 pallets and took them apart. There is a question, does it cut as good as the other one? It cuts differently. It's smoother, because it's not an initial bite like the other one is, because the other one is plugged in, it's got more power, more wallop. This is a 20-volt battery, and it lasted and lasted and lasted. I'd mashed my way through 4 pallets, and there's still plenty of energy there. It'd be interesting to find out how long a charge will last. I wish I'd do that anyway. Am I pleased with it? One thing I liked about this one, my old one, is that I love the way it plunge cuts. It's so easy to control, and the same goes for this one. Yes, there's a new feature. This one, you had to lift this up here, and then make your plunge cut. The new boy has a safety switch here, which you lift down, push that. And when you push that safety switch down, you've got to, your finger goes here, away from the blade, safer, hey, safer. And then you can make your plunge. I like that. That's thinking. And will I continue to use it? Oh, yes, I will. And it's a good thing, really. It's a good thing that I like this one with the battery. Because if I didn't, I'll be up a certain creek without a certain implement, wouldn't I? You've got to do these things, haven't you? WORX, thank you very, very much for sending me it. I'm going to keep on using it, and if I find out any bad stuff about it, I'll let you know. Is it an improvement? Yes, it is an improvement. This feature, which I told you before, and the fact that it's a battery, it's a 20-volt battery on full charge. Well, I haven't drained it yet. I've just done all that in the warehouse. The improvement is the versatility. It's breaking free from the extension lead. That, to me, is the improvements. I'm done.